Now, the political scene in Maharashtra is abuzz with speculation as key leaders of the Mahayuti alliance, including Maharashtra caretaker CM Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, are set to meet the BJP's high command in Delhi today. Now, the meeting will pave the way for a strategic reshuffle of leadership positions within the alliance, aiming to ensure a smooth governance transition over the next 5 years. In a move aimed at solidifying the alliance's stability, the leadership formula being discussed will likely see BJP taking the top spot with the chief minister role, while the Shiv Sena and NCP are expected to fill the two deputy CM positions. Now, Shinde had made it clear that he would fully support the BJP's leadership choice for the next CM, signaling a smooth handover of power. With Fadnavis being the frontrunner for the CM role, Shinde expressed his readiness to step aside without creating obstacles.
मैं आज आप सबको कहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता जो निर्णय लेंगे मुख्यमंत्री पद के बारे में, जो उनका कैंडिडेट होगा, उसको हमारा शिवसेना का पूरी तरह समर्थन है, पूरी तरह हमारा पाटिंबा उनको है। ये आपको बताने के लिए मैंने आज सबको बुलाया है
कि हमारी महायुति में कभी भी कोई एक दूसरे के प्रति अलग मत ये रहा नहीं है। हमने हमेशा साथ में बैठकर निर्णय किए हैं और चुनाव से पहले भी हमने कहा था कि चुनाव के बाद साथ में बैठकर निर्णय करेंगे। कुछ लोगों के मन में जो शंकाएं थी उनको दूर करने का काम सम्माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे जी ने किया है। जल्द ही हम हमारे नेताओं के साथ बैठेंगे और उचित निर्णय करेंगे।
Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me live this morning to help us draw more perspective as to what she's picking up. Shweta, very good morning to you. The suspense still continues. The question still remains, why is it taking so long? While, of course, there's a strategy in place today is what we're given to understand in the national capital.
Well, that's right. In fact, we are one step closer to reveal the suspense and, in fact, who is going to be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. We have been seeing it was not an easy situation where there was ideology battle which was going around. Then there was also about the administration, infrastructure work, the schemes. Now we are getting closer day by day that eventually not only we but the Janta will be also getting to know that who is going to be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Yesterday, Eknath Shinde, he in fact took the press conference and he has given his full support, his unconditional support to the top brass leader of BJP, stating that whosoever is the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde party, that's entire Shiv Sena, is going to support him. This has cleared many ways for BJP that the front runner was already Devendra Fadnavis. So of course it's almost close now that Devendra Fadnavis is only going to be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. But here the formula plays a very vital role, that if he is the Chief Minister, then again, like the previous tenure where there were two Deputy Chief Minister, is it going to follow or not? But while we spoke to several of the BJP key leaders, even they insisted on the fact that it is mostly that it will work in similar pattern where there will be two Deputy Chief Minister. So one is of course Ajit Pawar and second is Eknath Shinde, likely. This is what we are understanding. So this is a complete set scenario as of now. But again, today's crucial meeting is only going to reveal further authentic information. As of now, there were several formulas that were being discussed and a series of key meetings that were happening after crucial meetings. Today is the day where an important meeting is going to happen in Delhi with the top brass leaders of BJP, and then it would be revealed that who is actually going to be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Right, Shweta, and it's just a matter of time, like you're putting into context, that we will know about that ultimate decision. But the aftermath of the poll seems to be getting quite interesting. And I say that because what's essentially happening in the MVA too. So I'm going to come back to you as far as that is concerned. Stay with me for a few minutes.